Hello there, everybody. This is All My Hope Crowder. This is a song that I wanted to learn quite a while back, and the chords and looked, they were just overcomplicated. A video that I watched on YouTube trying to learn it was very overcomplicated. I had a friend over the weekend, he showed me how he plays it, and it sounds good. It's good enough for me. Campfire songs, play every once in a while, got a group of people around, and it's the simple way. If you want the complex way or the right way, this isn't it. But lots of people are playing their G like this. I use both fingers, the ring finger and the pinky on the high E, and then that string there, the second string, and then those two, and then to make C, just drop it down, and then D, of course, like that. And that's the three chords that I use. And there's one part where you can throw an A minor or an E minor in there, and then D, and it sounds good, but you don't have to. So this is the way you do it. You strum sort of like this, then go to C, D. Okay, so again, I've been held by the Savior. I felt fire from above. I've been down to the river. I ain't the same, a prodigal return. All my hope is in Jesus. Thank God my yesterday's gone. All my sins are forgiven. I've been washed by His blood. That's it. That's easy. The simple, easy way to do it. Two things. All my hope is in Jesus. Thank God my yesterday's gone. All my sins are forgiven. I've been washed by the blood. Those are two things I put in there, the E minor on yesterday's, and then it goes to D. The thing about this is the chorus, it goes along with the first set of verses is G, and then C, and then the second part of the verse is G, and then D, and then on the chorus, same thing, G, D, but you could put the E minor in there on the second one. So maybe this has helped you out. I hope it has. Just a quick little 3-minute lesson, and I just learned it this past weekend, so I'm not that great at it. But after you play it about 100 times like that, then you'll have it down. You'll be good. So hopefully this helped you out. God bless you. By the way, on this song, All My Hope Crowder, if you have a capo and you put it on the first fret, it makes it sound more authentic like the original song. But I didn't do it for this video because I couldn't find my capo. I don't know where it is. But you may want to try capo on the first fret and just play G, C, and D.